Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Conga 8290. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential tools and steps needed to maintain and repair this powerful device. Let's get started. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help us disassemble and clean the device effectively. Begin by unplugging the Conga 8290 from the power source. Safety is our top priority. Next, locate the screws at the bottom of the unit. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the device. You may encounter some resistance, but be patient. It's essential to avoid forcing it open, as this could damage the unit. Now that we have access to the internal components, let's focus on cleaning. Use the soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris. For hard-to-reach areas, the can of compressed air is invaluable. Blow out any accumulated dust, especially around the sensors and motors. This will ensure optimal performance. If you notice any parts that seem worn out or broken, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to understand what might need replacing without any pressure. As you inspect the internal components, take a moment to check the connections and wiring. If anything looks frayed or damaged, it's crucial to address this immediately to avoid further issues. Now, let's reassemble the device. Begin by replacing the cover and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Be sure to tighten them adequately but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Once reassembled, plug in the Conga 8290 and test its functionality. Ensure that all features are working as expected. If something seems off, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We provide detailed estimates to ensure transparency. If you find that you're not comfortable with any of these steps, remember that we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. In conclusion, maintaining your Conga 8290 is straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Regular cleaning and inspections can extend the life of your device significantly. Don't forget to take advantage of our services if you need assistance or repairs. Thank you for watching, and keep your Conga 8290 running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.